Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to explore a fundamental concept in thermodynamics called shaft work. It might sound a bit technical, but it's actually all around us in the machines we use every day. So, what is it? First, let's quickly remember what work is in thermodynamics. Work is a way of transferring energy when a force causes movement. A classic example is a gas in a cylinder pushing a piston. That's called boundary work because the system's boundary itself moves. Shaft work, however, is a special and very common kind of mechanical work. It is the work done by a rotating shaft. Imagine a spinning rod that crosses the boundary of our system, like an axle going into a machine. The energy it transfers is shaft work. This is how many of the devices we rely on actually function. There are a few key things to remember about it. First, it always involves rotation. If there is no rotation, there is no shaft work. Second, this energy is transferred across the system's boundary. For instance, think of an electric motor connected to a water pump. The motor's spinning shaft enters the pump's casing. It puts work into the water, which is our system, making it move. A ceiling fan is another simple example. The motor's shaft turns the blades and does work on the air. We can also have work going out of a system. A perfect example is a steam turbine in a power plant. Hot, high-pressure steam pushes against the turbine's blades, causing a central shaft to spin rapidly. This rotating shaft is then connected to a generator to produce electricity. In this case, the turbine system is doing work on its surroundings. The engine in your car works similarly, with a rotating crankshaft delivering power out to the wheels. Shaft work is considered an organized form of energy transfer, unlike heat, which is disorganized energy at the molecular level. It's calculated based on the torque, which is the twisting force on the shaft, and how many times it rotates. More torque or more rotations mean more work is done. So, in summary, shaft work is the energy of rotation that powers our world, from car engines to power plants. I hope this explanation makes the concept a little clearer. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps me continue making these educational videos. See you next time.